Yes, storm.
Well, no giving enough water with a clean up. You know, so we have to change up the run of them and everything.
So water they coming out?
No, water not coming.
Okay, that's good.
Water not coming. But you will pull up to something and try put them back.
Oh. So what happened to the road them? The road them mash up bad?
No, it's about 3 fall on pan people also on a die house. Jackfruit tree drop and die house. All out a bump, them have to use power saw, cut up tree out a road all that stick there.
Oh my.
We have this moment, something to go to
Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Morning guys, happy Monday. And guess what? It's the 1st of July. Oh my god. The time is flying. I hope you had a lovely weekend. And guess what? It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing. And subscribe. So as I said, today's Monday and I'm at the supermarket. Actually, I'm in the car park. I'm going to get out the car and then I'm going to do my shopping. You know what? Because I'm vlogging on my phone and it's easier, I might just take you along with me. So guess what? I'll see you in Azza.
home again. This time my time right here, not taking it off. I'm going to the nail shop. So it's a bit windy outside. I'm going to the nail shop. I'm gonna get my nails done and my toes done because my toes is looking all hey. You don't even want to see it. But guess what? I catch you up at the nail shop. Hey, Susan. Alright.
Just finished my nails and my toes. My toes is looking super good now. You should have seen them earlier. I'm not sure about my nails with the sparkle, but Susie gave me them for free, so they'll do for now. Yeah, the sparkler, I'm not sure, but see, I've got my nails done and my toes are done, as you can see. Now I'm heading home. Do you like this Rasta girl? She's royal, hey, so royal, and I want her in my life. I never find anyone a one of a kind. The way she moves, she alone. She have the quality of a queen. I'm a queen. Ooh, ooh. Natural beauty. She need the makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen. Anyway, yay! It's given.
Guys, what do you think about my new set? A bit conflicted. I don't know. I don't know if I'm vlogging. Thank you. I'm joking. I'm finished. Hey y'all, I want you to check out some things I got from Shein. I had them for a little while, but somehow they're still in the bag. My friend dropped them off about last week or so, but you know what? It's still here, so let's check them out because I'm more excited about one product that I bought. So first I got this nice yellow bag. It's a yellow bag, purse, whatever you want to call it. It's so cute, and the thing I like about it, I like the little chain strap and it, but I guess inside you've got a longer strap if you needed it. But I think the color is so cute. It's so cute to go out with. I like that. I like that. And then I got this. I didn't purchase. This is cute. My friend had this and the strap broke. There it is. So I told her to give it to me, and I'm gonna finesse about it. If I can't fix back the strap, then I'll use it as a clutch. I think it would be cute just going out like this and being bougie and just hold it like this, because I don't think it needs a strap. So that's that. Then the other day was City Splash. I didn't went. No, we didn't go. We didn't have a ticket. Plus, it's bank holiday and this girl after work. But at City Splash, everyone's shoes, it was rainy. And everyone's shoe, how expensive your shoe was, it got muddy. So, because I like to go to festivals and stuff like that, and carnival, I decided to get the rainbow. See, I'm not even opening it yet. So, and these are all from Shein, by the way. So this, it's got a zipper. So supposedly it should go over the shoe that you're wearing. And look, it's got a rubbery bottom, so I guess it's, you can't slip, so it's good. But I mean, if it can't go over my shoe, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take off the shoes and put this on, and you can adjust the straps. I think this is well needed, and it's cute, and it comes in different sizes as well. So, and the last thing I got, so this I'll put up, I'm gonna put this up really good so that anytime I'm going anywhere, carnival, anywhere that's outdoors, I'll make sure it's always in my bag, because you can just easily tuck this away and it take up no space, and it's a good thing. And then these, I opened this already because I have a few in my bag. So this is, I got 2 packs. So okay, it's a, as you can see here, it's a travel, I think it's a travel series. So this is, let me show you one. It's like a sweet, but it's not a sweet. These are little rags. So it's like little travel rags. So apparently, if you need it, you just open it up, and this little round thing you put in the water, and it gets bigger. So I think this is useful to keep in a purse, or even when you're going on holiday, you can take it and use it. I think they, on Shein as well, they have the bigger towels, but this is just the little rags, so they have the bigger towels as well. So, and I got 2 packs. This is gonna last me for a long while, so that's a very, very long while. So that's my little Shein haul. I said Shein, but it might be Shein, whatever you want to call it. Potato. So that's what my little things that I got. And yeah, it is needed. Not bye-bye. It is needed. So you know what? Bedtime for me. Watching the match and then go to bed. So I see you tomorrow. So peace out. Later. Hey guys, welcome on another day. Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday for you. So now I've finished. It's the same old thing, just a different week and a different thing. Before, just finished class, just came from class. Look at my hair. Yes, I haven't done the edges. I know that. I'm not doing anything, and when I'm not going out of the sort, I don't do my edges. Yes, my hair needs to be done. I know that. My hair is coming. It's coming. I did order it from Ali. It's coming, and I'm not paying all that big price that they're talking. But walking on the street today, everyone, excuse me, do you want to do your hair? No. Don't you see I've got hair in my head? It just pissed me off, you know. I'm like, it's not even that bad. Come on, guys, look. Is it that bad?
Why they keep asking, do you want to do your hair? I don't think so. Anyway. 1 minute. It's way in the afternoon. I've just come from class, as I said. And same old day. No, it's not the same day, but it's the same old thing. It's just a different day. No, I'm not gonna make any smoothie, but I'm gonna do juicing, and I've prepared my stuff already. So I'm gonna do 2 types of juicing. I see online. I tried this last week. So in my bowl I've got lemon and ginger. I tried it. It's like, but you know what? It's not gonna do it. I did it because it was good for my cold, but I think they said the benefits of it as well is losing belly fat. And if you know this girl, yeah, I need to lose some belly fat. No fat from anywhere. It's just the tummy. The tummy needs to go. Hey, but I like everywhere else. Anyway, that's not a problem. And that's the first juice. The second juice, I prepared, washed and everything. This is juicing for my boo. This is carrot. I've got carrot in here, pineapple, ginger, and some green apples. So before I do this and make it all orangey, you know what I mean, the orange color, I'm gonna do this one first. So I hope it's good for the belly fat, you know, because guess what? The belly fat needs to be going. It needs to go somewhere. So everything is oof and wash. Let's get into it. So with this, I just take a shot today. You see, that's it. Just a shot today. I don't need much of this. So it says you do it for 3 weeks. So I've been doing it from last week. So this week would be my 2nd week. So let's get this juice going. I hope your Tuesday is way better. So today in class we did a mock test again because we're preparing for the real deal. The real deal is coming up soon.
Pray for you, girl. By the way, side note, did you watch the BT Awards? Did you watch the performance, like Tyler performance that she did with Skilly Bang? It's like, it's so controversial. Everyone's got their own opinion about it, but I don't know. The vloggers, they're having a role with Skilly Bang performance. If you haven't seen it, you should see it. And then when you see, you'll form your own opinion. Plus, my girl just sent me a video of this, I don't understand these people. It was on the news anyway. Of this, what do you call it? Prison warden. She's a lady and she was having an affair with the prisoner. And apparently, she is married and in a cell, in a prison cell, there's two people. There's two, what do you call it, bunkies, yeah? They're sharing, they're sharing a cell. And the prison officer is a lady, yeah? And she was having that thing, the deed. She was doing the deed with one while the other one was recording it. I don't know. I don't get it. And it's like, you're gonna be famous, bro. We are famous. And guess what? It's all over the internet. It's spreading. Now she's in trouble. And I heard she was escaping. They found her at the airport with a suitcase. And her face, her nakedness was all in it. I don't get it. What she was thinking. Maybe she wanted to be internet famous, but guess what? She got what she wanted, innit? Because we all have the video, love. He cannot be posted on here, on my YouTube channel. But guess what, girl? You're famous now. Now you lost your job. You might lose your family. Girl, what were you thinking, honey? Oh, God. She did a crazy one. No, my friend, I'm gonna kill her because she sent me one off video and then I'm like, what is this she's sending me? Anyway, we were talking on the phone and she's telling me about the video and I'm like, girl, don't you think I want to see too? For fuck's sake. I just don't want to see half the story. I want to see the full story. And guess what? She did. Oh, Lord. Anyway, God bless you. So my juice is coming on. This can make about 2 bottles. 2 bottles. What happened there? Now, another thing on the news too. It's like I'm a news reporter now. It's the hurricane. What is Beryl? Beryl is barreling up. Beryl is making a havoc in the Caribbean. And today is Tuesday. Tuesday, you know. And they said Beryl might hit Jamaica on Wednesday. Father. I hope it doesn't. Because I don't think Jamaica can take such a big hit. Because when we look at St. Vincent, I say, oh Lord, that's a bit crazy. I see people out stop is flying. I can remember back in my days when I was starting high school or secondary school, they call it here. But I went to Marbay High School in St. Thomas, Jamaica. And oh my God, the first year it was Hurricane Gilbert. That's the first time I've ever experienced an hurricane, and trust me, we couldn't go to school for a while. It was like when COVID and everywhere was locked down. I'm telling you, it was crazy. But you know what? I hope when it hits, if it's gonna hit Jamaica, I hope it die down and go slower and they just get rain, because I pray for my family, my parents, that they are safe and everything is fine, and everyone else, my subscribers, I hope you are fine and doing well and batten down the house. Listen, swing pan the zinc if you have to. Do what you have to do. So this is the juice, 2 bottles, and this is the one for the shot. So this girl is going to eat some food because I've washed up these things. I cooked before I left the house as usual. So now, you know what? I'm gonna strip off, take off these clothes, cook, eat some food, have a bath. I want to do a facial, but that may be for tomorrow. Can do that tomorrow, because you see, I'm doing my maintenance. I do the nails. I'm trying to convince myself. I'm convincing myself hard. It's not that serious, I can tell you. Not that serious. It's just because I'm not used to it. But it's alright. It's growing on me like everything else. Anyway, let me go eat, because this girl is, I'm always parching. I don't know. And now I said I want to lose belly fat. No, you're younger. Anyway, eat some food, have a bath, and just chill. I don't know if any football who is playing today, what football team is playing, but you know, it is my dealio. Because you know what? It is what it is. So, I don't know if it's the end of the vlog for today, but you know what? I'll see you when I see ya. Hi guys, I'm ready for bed. I'm watching the football. It's Turkey versus Austria. 3 minutes have gone already and Turkey have scored. Turkey have gone 1. So, I just have my bath. I'm ready for bed. But listen, I'm so invested in this story till I'm trying to get as many clips to watch and listen as possible, because I don't know, it was the story I'm talking about earlier with the prison guard. I don't know what she was thinking, but I can play a little bit and you can listen for yourself. Just a little bit.
On his Instagram showed the lag with a tattoo matching that of the man in the footage. It comes after footage is showing a prisoner with an officer at the South London jail emerged on Friday. The X-rated footage was filmed inside a prison cell by another
Inside
lag
a prison.
before being shared widely on social media and WhatsApp. Linda D'Souza Brew, 30.
Listen, that's what happened. The man has a pregnant girlfriend. Can you imagine? And she has a partner. I don't know if she's married. I can't remember if she's married, but she's got a child as well. I saw a video with she and her partner and the child. Oh, embarrassing. She must feel now. And you have to say, did she call this on herself? Because everyone's got their own opinion. Was their relationship that bad? Why she did that? Why did she do that? Why did she let someone film her doing that? And that's the problem, guys. You have to be aware of your surrounding. But the thing is, if you was watching the video, she knew she was being recorded. Because if you see the video, it wasn't hiding. The person was in their face and say, yeah. No one's gonna come in our cell. No one can pass me. And the video was all up in her face. She was doing her thing. Her thing. No, she makes all of us invested in her story. She's losing her job. Maybe her family. Who knows? But you know what? Been a business in a body business. I'm gonna go watch my match.
Yeah.
Port Royal Main Road, impossible. Impossible. Port Royal Main Road, impossible. The sea has burst the bank. The sea has burst the banks. Leaving a lot of boulders on the road now.
Hi, happy Thursday, guys. Well, I just came back from work. A little bit tired, but that's all right. Work is work. But yesterday I didn't do anything more than tracking the hurricane that was hitting Jamaica, Hurricane Beryl, and thank the Lord, my family is fine, the house is fine, everyone is fine, and all my friends are fine. I haven't heard any bad news, so give the Lord thanks for that. And now I'm so knackered. I just need to find something to eat and rest as usual. And that's my Thursday. So tomorrow will be Friday. It's back to work I go. My hair needs taken out. It's getting a bit rough now, but that's all in good hands. So look, I said I was gonna do a facial. Haven't done it yet. This girl is getting lazy. Oy. But you know what? I still be back on track. So I'll see you later. I'm back again. I don't sound excited, do I? You know why?
I'm drained, man. I'm so tired. I don't know what to take or what to do for this tiredness. But this girl is so tired. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm hungry. But guess what? I'm not stressed. My house in Jamaica is safe. My family is safe. And that's the main priority. Back to my nails. I'm getting to like them. They sparkle like a diamond. They're growing on me. But you know what? Would I do it back again? Maybe on one finger, but not every flipping finger. Come on, Susie. What have you done to this girl? You're taking me out of my comfort zone. I don't like that. You know what? All my friends are going out this weekend, and you know where this girl gonna be? It's like I'm gonna be at work. It's like I don't have any friends at all. My social life is getting down the drain. If it's not out with my hobby, I don't go out. I don't know what is going on. Friends, where have you been? Nobody knows me. Anyway. Let me go find something to eat. I don't know what to eat. Because guess what? This girl not cooking. So it must be something quick and easy. And bath and then go straight to bed. Oh, and another side note. Today is election in England. It's voting day. And you know what? These people gonna come and keep knocking at my door. Are you knocking at my door and asking me if I'm hungry? No. You're only knocking on my door to ask me if I'm voting. Am I voting for you? To do what? That's a thought. Anyway. Peace out. Hi guys, happy Friday. So today I'm going to work and walking and it's raining. Oh my god, it's gonna rain all day today. What a controversy, because last week it was sunny, scorch hot sunny, and today I tell you it's rainy. It's rainy Britain. Raining. Anyway, I'll see you later. It's raining. It's Friday. Friday rain. I forgot to give you an update. I can't remember if in a couple of vlogs before I told you guys that I helped a customer and then he was going to America and then she promised me some things. But guess what? The woman really bring it back. She brought back a t-shirt. Grateful at least. I'm doing a good job, ain't I? I'm not that grumpy. Sometimes you see my face is like, don't approach me. But guess what? You can though. I might be just thinking about something. and working. And when I work, I like to concentrate on what I'm doing. So, and one thing, listen, I could beat myself, you know. I could beat myself because I know in retail, the first sale is not the last sale. Sometimes they drop the price twice, even 3 times. I got some swimming shorts for my husband and I thought they were a bargain, like for £3. And guess what? The flipping shorts they went down for £1. £1. I could have saved a little change. I am so gutted within myself. I don't know why I got caught up in like first sale. First sale is never a sale because sometimes they order loads of the same product and it needs to go out before the season ends. If you don't know, before the season ends, it needs to go. So first sale is just the first price. Wait for the second drop and then it's gonna be a drop. I could just beat my flipping self. I don't know why I got so flipping hasty, because I guess because he wanted it. He wanted it, but he haven't worn it yet. So I mean, if I could find the receipt, you know, I'll just take it back. And you know what? I'm gonna look. I am. Anyway, see ya. Hi, Lo. Hi, guys. I just came in back from work, and I mean, work is work. If you ever see a easy work, come and tell me. Yeah, come and tell me so I can do it too. Anyway, just came in back, and trust me, the rain never stopped. It was raining all day. Just came in. I've got a few things to do, like washing, putting away some stuff and stuff like that. And then, you know the drill. It's retirement. Straight to bed, eat, and all those thingsy. But guess what? If you're having a good day, good for you. My day is not too bad. Listen, I want it in between. Not too much rain, not too much sun. But guess what? It's life. And if you reach this far in my vlog, thank you for watching. And guess what? Leave a comment and press the like button. And see you in the next vlog.